The sun was joyful, the sun was happy. In the silence of a shadow world, I hear the call. Every heartbeat like a warning as the shadows fall. I was nothing but a whisper in the storm of fear, till the fire in my spirit said the hero's here. I've been running from the darkness, now I'm standing tall. If the world is gonna break, I won't let it fall. I rise from the ruins, unbroken and bold, a light in the night. When the world turns cold, no chains can hold me, no fear controls me. I'm the storm they couldn't tame. I rise again.
Woke up tired, same four walls, same old faces in the halls. But there's a spark under your skin. Keep it safe, don't give it in. Everyone must have a dream. Everyone must have a dream. Everyone must have a dream. Dream on and dream big. Don't be forgotten. Write your name across the sky.